Thank you for clicking on this video. This is my very first video after introduction video. And in this video, I'm going to basically show you how I'm going to make my roadmap or my vision statement, mission statement, goals of the content creation journey that I'm starting. To tell you what I'm going to be doing on TikTok, I'm going to upload videos which talks about AI evolution, the things that you can do with AI and how AI is going to be the future. And on this YouTube channel, I'm going to only post videos of my behind the scenes of what people see. If there is something that I faced, I'm going to be uploading each and everything here on this YouTube channel. And also on my Instagram, basically the videos that I'm going to upload on the TikTok, they are the ones that I'm going to be also uploading on the Instagram. So stick around and see how I make my mission statement, my vision statement, and my goals, all by using the ChatGPT. Now that I'm done with this mission, vision, and goals statement, and also motto, I'm going to turn to ChatGPT to craft this into something that I can change into a storyboard or that I can document, so that every time I feel unmotivated, I'm going to go back and look into this and become motivated again. So let's go to ChatGPT and then make this thing into something that is very readable. I went straight to ChatGPT and I gave out different prompts of what I wanted it to give me, which was helping me to create the goals, motto, mission, and vision statements of my content creation journey that I am going to be using when I feel unmotivated, and also to describe about my work as a content creator who talks about AI and news relating to AI. So this is a very basic document that highlights the things. Maybe later on I'm going to make it more, nice looking. But for now, I really have a very good draft of my vision, mission, and motto that I'll be using. So my vision is to enhancing relationship between AI or artificial intelligence and human beings. That is very important to make you who is watching be relatable to AI. And you no longer consider now AI as a tool, but your friend, your advisor, something that you can use to make your life better. And my mission is very simple, 3 words, and then we are done. Find, test, and tell. So the motto is very simple: learn, adapt, and evolve. So this is the very, document that I made, which include everything. Maybe later on, I'm going to change some of the things and, style it and make it into something that is very simple to read for me. But for now, you see what I did with just ChatGPT without writing anything. So that's a pretty amazing job that we did, me and my AI. And you also, it was very a nice session between myself and AI, and we really did an amazing job in crafting my vision, mission, and motto statements that I'm going to be following on this content creation journey. At this point, thank you for sticking around with me. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please remember to do so, and also like this video so that the algorithm is going to recommend it to more other people. And also remember to leave a comment of something that you think I can improve. This helps me a lot to keep on evolving on my journey. So thank you, and see you in another video.